Joel Embiid makes his long-awaited NBA debut, and the wait was worth it. This was a great game. It was back and forth all night long. Look at the lob on the break. 76ers fans have to be excited about what they saw in their opening game of the season. And Joel Embiid has everything that you want from a big man. Look, he's dancing on him. He's doing fadeaways. He's spinning. And he can shoot too. He can shoot threes. He can make it splash. Look at that. Splash! That was nothing but net. And then he's protecting the net on the other side with a block on Westbrook. Normally, when bigs come into the league, they have a lot of weaknesses, and Westbrook just doing what he does, getting the and one in transition, making that look too easy. But bigs come into the league, and if they can block a shot, then they can't shoot. If they can shoot, they can't block a shot. But Embiid is something special because he can protect the paint, he can post up, and look at that shot clock cheese. And Embiid can rebound. He can shoot threes, he can shoot off the dribble. Here comes Westbrook again with the slam, with the 99 speed, and here he goes off the dribble. He was dribbling with the left hand, pulling up from free throw range. What more do you want from your center? You want exactly what Embiid is giving you in his debut. Westbrook in the clutch, and now it goes back to Embiid in the clutch. Calm, cool, collected. Remember, this is his first NBA game. He's performing in the clutch. 76ers down by 2. Good reach in by Westbrook. It's off, but check out Embiid running the floor. He gets the block, but he can't do it all. The 76ers lose this one, but Embiid finishes with 20 points, 7 rebounds, 2 blocks. Westbrook almost had a triple-double with 32 points, 12 rebounds, and 9 assists. And this is how you add insult to injury over McGee. Simmons with no sportsmanship for the CPU. Well, that's not the CPU, but you know the rules. That poster was so mean that Kawhi Leonard got up